Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to add Windows 10 on the GNS3 for testing lab. The first you need to go to the device and click on this. Right click. Right. Yes, so you can see that we have many files and OS that we can do install on the GNS3, such as Windows 7, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. And if you already have the file, you can import, and if you have no, you can go to the official website for download the image for your install on the GNS3. You can select any the OS that you want to download, and the template is VMware. Okay. After we download, we can go to the import and browse to the source that we install the file OS or VMDK, depend on your Okay, after we accept the risk and confirm, we need to wait the GNS3 uploading the source file into the GNS3, and we can set up the Windows 10 for testing our lab. Okay, now we already finished the upload for the Microsoft Windows 10 into the GNS3. So just a bit wait for the something need to require down from the source file. I have saved the template name such as Windows 10 in the, you can see we already upload. After upload, we just click ready to install and finish it. And you can also add the adapter network, and this is you can use by default. The interface is net, something like that. You can choose the device or something, also the symbol. Example, use Windows 10. Okay.